In GembaDocs, you've got three main types of QR codes. First, the PDF QR code. Anyone can scan it, no logins required. It instantly opens the SOP. This is perfect for shared environments where external users or visitors and situations where speed and ease of access matter most. Second, the Secure App QR code. This one requires login credentials and opens the SOP inside the app with full functionality. This is better when you need control over access or you want users interacting with the SOP step by step or tracking and so on. You can also place QR codes directly onto paper documents like works orders or job packs. Finally, we have folder QR codes. And with one scan, operators can instantly access a full folder of all the relevant SOPs for that job or that piece of equipment.